expensive diamond come and me deliver. Hot, hot, don't make man shake.
What's the queen of dancehall?
Let me look hot and he make it a lot. Wanna be like a boiling pot. When wine up and he like it like that. When you hear them a chat, I'm hot, hot, hot.
Watch it.
Hot like sun, give me hair. Make man shiver sweat run like with expensive diamond comb. But the
people to come green spice, green spice.
My body hot like volcano.
Watch it.
Heat as a dark and it's jealous, yeah, sure. Outside, what's the temperature? You walk out me, you can't check.
Watch it.
Outside, what's the temperature? When I turn them some yellow. Outside, what's the temperature? Me and my friend will stay good like that.
Pull up again, Digos.
Hot, 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 hot. Hot, hot.
People remember that's the queen of dancehall. Remember Spice love everybody, you know. Ready? Watch it. Watch it. Watch that. Watch it. Why?
My body hot like volcano. Haters attack and it's jealous.
No more Jesus.
What's the temperature? Me walk out now. What's the temperature? When I turn them some yellow idiot. What's the temperature? Me and my friend will stay good.
That's all your green spice. That's all your green spice. Let us go on bad with the queen of dancehall. Ready?
They must say me look hot and him like it a lot. I'm a bubble pan be like a boiling pot. I'm a wine up a body, him like it like that. When you hear them a chat, I'm a hot.
Spice.
Hot like sun, them hot.
Watch it.
Make man shiver, say run like river. If diamond come and give me deliver. Hot, hot, don't make man shiver.
Every girl get involved.
My body hot like volcano.
Every girl get involved.
Haters attack and it's jealous, yeah, sure. Outside, what's the temperature? See me walk out, me enter the chat. Outside, what's the temperature? When I turn them some yellow idiot. Outside, what's the temperature? Me and my friend will stay good like that. Outside, what's the temperature? Swear for them hot, but them not all of that. Me a man named Keith, him a say me look sweet, him pull up on the street and
Pull up again. Spice a circle the place. Pull up.
and him like it a lot. Bubble pan the beat like a boiling pot. When we wind up a body, him like it like that. When you hear them a chat, come a hot, hot, hot.
That's who they run the world right now.
Man, she was
the girls that love that song, yeah.
Diamond cool, but them deliver. Hot, hot, don't make me my body hot like Volcano.
What's it? What's it? Wanna take on a picture with Spice?
Outside, what's the temperature? Hey. You walk out me.
Get your queen.
Outside, what's the temperature? And I count them. Outside, what's the temperature? Me and my friend will stay good like that. Outside, what's the temperature? You said it. My body hot like Volcano. The haters attack and it's jealous, yeah, show. Outside, what's the temperature? See me walk out me, enter the chat. Outside, what's the temperature?
This is the song for the summer.
Outside, what's the temperature? Me and my friend will stay good like that. Outside,
Make it play again.
hot, 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 hot.
No, stop playing till it's spicy though.
Let me look hot and him like it. I'm a bubble pump beat like a boiling pot. And wind up a body, him like it like that. When you hear them a chat, I'm a hot.
What's it?
Hot like sun, yeah, me hot like pepper. Big man, she was sweat run like with expensive diamond comb, but me deliver. Hot, hot.
Bring the queen of dancer.
My body hot like Volcano. Haters attack and it's jealous, yeah, sure. We outside, what's the temperature? See me walk out, me enter the chat. Outside, what's the temperature? When I clone them some gyal a idiot. Outside, what's the temperature? Me and my friend will stay good like that. Outside, what's the temperature?
What's the queen?
Meet a man named Keith, him a say me look sweet. Him pull up on the street and some look deep. Some wine on the beat and pull up like pleat.
No, fluff it, bend over, fluff it, bend over.
The hottest woman from planet Earth. I can't use because me know when me work. Yes, cute from birth, them dirty like dirt. Whining expert, me hot like lizard. My body hot like Volcano.
Now my friend and I pink here, ready? Ready? Wanna greet the queen? Worst behavior. What's it good as them? What's it dolly them? What's it? Again, just dive off into the pool now.
Man can't use because you know when me work. Food from birth and dirty like dirt. Whining expert, me hot like dessert. My body hot like volcano.
No, talk the tune. Want to talk the tune. Talk the truth. That song you have a vibes.
Hot, 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 hot.
What's it? What's it? Now what you going over the volcano sign? What's up? Hey, are you off? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's there? What's it? What's it?
Haters attack and it's jealousy show. How we outside, what's the temperature? See me walk out, me outside, what's the temperature?
What's it? Quick and fast. Yeah.
This is the American way of saying happy birthday.
Yes.
So I want to get the Jamaica way next, you know. Happy birthday, Sierra.
We outside. Listen. It ain't a boring singer. If you know this song, everybody feel sing this one. Everybody feel sing this one.
Give me the Jamaica way now.
Yeah, well, I'm going to turn you up now. All right. Sierra. We going into the island of Jamaica.
You know them that we don't go China and then we come back and Volcano.
All right. But we start a party over here now. Different settings. Everybody know we could do it for Sierra now. Come, listen. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year on them. All the vibes. Give thanks to life. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year on them. See the queen of God on the party with her, you know. Give me the Jamaica style. Right, we have to tell the people them. Say, I'm a 8 o'clock the thing start. It's not about 1 o'clock. Jamaica, them never the part time, you know. Right, outside. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year on them. Whoa! One time. Give thanks for life. Next year we're doing it again. Yeah, yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year on them. One time. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year, pan. Yeah, yeah. Big up. action. Back it up on the volcano. Everything hot round here. Play back again.
And you like it a lot, I'm a bubble pan beat like a boiling pot. When you wind up a body, you like it like that.
Why? Bring it up!
Hot, hot, hot. Hot like sun, yeah, me hot like pepper. Make man, she must sweat burn like with expensive.
Watch this, young girl, stop!
Hot, hot.
Let me see it, let me see it!
My body hot like volcano. Haters attack, but you just get shot. What's the temperature? See me walk out me and
watch it, y'all, let her wine!
What's the temperature? When I clone them, some y'all a idiot. What's the temperature? Me and my friend will stay good like that. What's the temperature? Swear to them, but them know all of that. Me come and me and keep my family and see them when I'm on the street.
Let me do a picture there. Let's do a picture. Put your drink right there, see. Shit. That shit is hot. I mean, God, I know I'm praying for no rain.
The other day, it was raining and nice. Today, it's hot. This used to be Atlanta. This is how Atlanta used to be back in the days. No cold weather, no chilly weather. It was just hot. That's why it named Atlanta. Right? So we are getting a little late summer this year. So make sure that we don't get on the things upright for the summer. We need 2 knife roncos.
Let me see it. Remember that picture you have to post, you know?
Yeah.
Type thing. You look at my belly and everything.
Big up all the paparazzi in the building, Rico Vibes, and the whole team. You understand me, David Driveway. You understand, big up the self. And the other picture man, me always make forget if him there, but big him up. You understand me? Whoa! Outside.
Cash.
1 cash, pan it up as a paparazzi. Big them up. Zane.
Oh, you keep your no, I don't.
Stola, the whole team. Big up there themselves. Hitman, the sound provider. Sound is sounding lovely. The neighbors are complaining a little bit, not too much. They're saying the bass line is a little bit too, you know, yeah. We over one part over some of them trees. Gotta turn it down, right? See? Big up the police officers and the securities on deck, making sure this nice. You understand? And big up the people in there, all our vibes. Some more friends soon come in, and the party are gonna turn up for your next couple of hours. You understand me? And then you know what the thing. Ready? It's a very important day.
Volcano!
It's a one-time event. Volcano is a happy birthday for Sierra. So Spice and Sierra gonna do this after 1, 2, 3. Cut the cake! Happy birthday to Sierra. Congratulations to Spice. And the #1 album, the hot song. Clear back now. Let's go, make a party now. Big up the girl up and do us, let them look back all time. Ready again.
Supporting. We also have the #1 video as well. Let me just say this real quick. If you're sitting down, is a big bumbo clock disrespect. This is not a sit-down party. It's a pool party. That means a time for dash out your pum pum and skin out and go on real bad and dirty. And that will come here for. You know that who could come outside, you know, so cold allergy that kill me, panning would have nyam me. We're outside, what's the temperature? Yeah, we're ready for the summer. So I just want to take time out to thank you personally for coming out. I'm about to cut my cake right now for going #1. Big up to Alex and Teos who is here celebrating as well. He's also on the track as well. Alex Antes over there, you know, wear the right color. He did not wear the right color, but I'll kill him about that later. But big up to Alex Antes. We have JR, World Music Views, who flying all the way from Jamaica. They don't know, so we're going to show him how we party, like how we in Atlanta. And it's a very special moment as well. Lagos, come here, my brother. Because we are celebrating my song, Volcano. Just drop another #1 song. But I want to introduce you to my sister from another mother. It's her birthday. So I want you to find a song and we're going to celebrate with her. Sierra Glam Shop is in the motherfucking building! And it's her birthday! You know Jamaica, you know Sierra thinks she's a Jamaican, but we're going to show her how it's done. We're going to fuck with her for sure. We
can't play my favorite song!
Hot, 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 hot.
Every girl know! Watch it! Watch this! Look there!
Man, she was sweat all night. Diamond comb, give me beaver. Hot, make man, she was.
Watch it, girl, on the floor! Watch it, Tom! Why? What's the temperature? Jesus Christ! Fire! Ready? Watch it! Watch it down, sister!
When you hear them attack, I'm hot, hot, hot. Hot like sun, give me hot like pepper. Big man, she was sweat all night. Expensive diamond comb, but me deliver. Hot, hot, big man, she was. My body hot like volcano. Haters attack and it's jealous, yeah, show. Side, walk to temperature, me walk on me and buttercup. Side, walk to temperature, when I turn them from the
Watch it, y'all!
side, walk to temperature, me and my friend will see good like that. Side, walk to temperature, we put them hot, but they look all like someone named Keith, my son look sweet. All up on the street and some young leaves, some wine on the beat and pull up like weed. Hot, hot.
No, I feel like give us some money. I can't give us some money. Drive away, Cam. I can't give us some money. Some money can't give it. I want to go on bad out there. Who want to go on bad? Which girl I go on bad out there? Let me give us some money right now. Who want to go on bad?